Hi loves, how are you guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day today and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the videos I do. Luxury hauls, shopping vlogs, and just lifestyle in general, everything I do in my life daily. Today we're gonna be doing a super exciting video and I've been waiting because every time I'm gonna film it, I order another pair of shoes. And yeah, I'm a little obsessive. You're gonna see we have 10 pairs of shoes here to show you and I love every single one of them. I have 3 brands. It is Hermes, Rene, Caovilla, and Manolo Blahnik. Those are my ultimate brands right now that I swear by. My favorite right now is the Manolo Blahnik. I've been wearing them for about 4 years now, or 3 years now, for 3 years now, and they are the most comfortable shoes ever, like ever. I don't know which ones I should start with, but let's get to it because it's a lot. Since I only have 1 pair of Rene Caovilla, let's start with those because I think these might be my favorite pair. They're so cute. Oh my god, wow, these are so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle on them, but they are stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I did try them on. I tried them on and they are a little uncomfortable because of this part here. It like grips to your leg, actually. This part here. Okay, there you go. Here they are, so you can take a good look at them. Oh my god, are these not the most beautiful shoes ever? Yes, I love them. And they are a little uncomfortable. They grip to your leg right here, but you know what? It's worth it because, hey, they're beautiful, huh? And now I'm gonna go to the Manolos because there's 4 pair of Manolo Blahniks. I already wore 2 of them because I was waiting to wear them, but I went on vacation and I needed shoes to wear, so I went ahead and wore them. They're not these, are they? Okay, I wore these ones, and these are so beautiful. Look at these. Oh my god. Tell me this is not the most beautiful blue ever. Yes, they are baby blue. Just imagine a purse this color. We love it. These are, oh my god. Actually, these are my favorite. I know I said the first ones were my favorite, but you know what? Let me go ahead and I'll leave those for last because those literally look like you have jewelry on your feet. And I'm the type of person that if I like something, I get it in multiple colors right away. Green, emerald green. I got them to match my earrings. I love this. How adorable. And I actually got these a couple weeks ago and I still have not worn them. I want to find the right outfit for them because this color is just stunning, stunning, stunning. You can never go wrong with a pair of Manolos. They are the most comfortable shoes ever. I have the sling back ones too. I bought these a couple weeks ago and I didn't even remember, but got them. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This red is to die for. And with this, I just want to wear, I bought these ones to wear just with a pair of blue jeans, a white shirt, and red lipstick because I want to be extra sometimes when I go to the mall, but not really. Just want to look a little bit casual and at the same time be like, oh, here I am. Look at these. Oh my god. I believe that the buckle on these is kind of goldish. Because the other ones are like very, very silver. I only got 1 pair because I ordered them online and I saw them and I was like, nah, this is my favorite color. Well, one of my favorite colors. It's purple and pink, but this has got to be my favorite because these are, oh my goodness, look at these. Look at these. I only got one pair because I didn't know if they were gonna be comfortable or not. I didn't have time to try them on, and I ordered 36 because I'm a 5 or 6, but I wasn't sure, so I was like, let me just order one pair to see if they're comfortable like the Hangisi pumps. Guess what? They are, because I wore them for a couple of hours and oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see how beautiful they are. Oh my God. I am a sucker for shoes. I don't know. I don't know, this obsession of mine with shoes. Soon I'll be doing a shoe collection so you guys can see. I used to be really into Christian Louboutin, and now I'm an old lady, so I just wear old lady shoes. Just okay. The next brand we're gonna do is Hermes. Let's get started. So these are the first pair. Let's see. None of these buckets have the color on them. You know that they take off all the stickers. And these ones are so pretty. This is baby blue. I just went to the store yesterday and I got a pair of Tiffany blue that I fell in love with. The Oasis sandals with the little kitten heel. But these ones are adorable. Yeah. These you can wear with pink, white, anything you want. Honestly, I don't even care anymore. I just wear whatever I feel that looks good, and if it matches, it matches. If it doesn't, then I'm happy. So these are adorable. And again, guys, if you want to invest in these pairs of sandals, I honestly think you should, because these, you can wear them so much, and you can actually dress them up a little bit when you go out. If you don't feel like wearing heels, you can wear a cute little dress and a cute bag and just walk out the house and still look well put together. I don't necessarily think you always have to wear heels to look cute. Don't think I'm this obsessive. This has been like 3-4 weeks worth of buying shoes, okay? Maybe even 5. Don't think I just go out and buy shoes every single day, because I don't. These ones are kind of, I think these are called Vert Ahmad, which is like it's kind of a greenish bluish. I don't even know. They are like a darker green blue. I actually am gonna leave these out because I want to wear them with my outfit today. I like this together, brown and this. I think this will look really cute with this. But those are pretty too. I don't know. I see it, I like it, and I get it. Okay, so these ones I didn't want to get. Really, it's not that I don't wear this color. It's that I kind of don't wear this color, but my essay sold me on them because they were very pretty on my skin. Look at these, orange. And these are the Oasis sandals, so these have the little kitten heels, and these are also very, very comfortable to be in, even though it has these little heels. But these are these, and they are super cute, super cute. I got these 2 days ago when I went to the store. These are so pretty. I love it. They're popping up in the camera as more of a pink color, but they're more of a corally pink. Oh my God. They're more of a corally pink. They kind of look like a bubblegum pink, but no, they're really a coral pink. Can you guys imagine a Birkin in this color? It's a die for, right? This is not like rose. No, they're called Rose Boise or Rose Boise. That's the color. But it's a beautiful color. It's kind of similar to Rose Azali. which that color is beautiful too. And finally, the last pair. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yes, these are rose petal or rose petal, however you say it. I don't know. Hermes has a million colors that I'm slowly learning. These are showing up like white nudish, but no, they're like, they have a tint of pink, a very, very small tint of pink. And I love them too. These are gonna be great to wear with white. Okay guys, and I'm finally done. Oh, I felt like that took forever. I try to go as fast as I can because I know it's a lot. Please don't think that I sit here and obsess like this, buy shoes like this all the time. No, it just builds up little by little. I get what I love, I know what I love. So if I know that I love a brand, I just get multiples of them in different colors, and that way I can be comfortable and look cute whenever I dress up, because you know, we have to look cute, adorable at all times. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I would really love for you guys to please subscribe if you like videos like this. I'm not sure what video I'm gonna be doing next. If you guys have any suggestions, please just comment down in the comment box and let me know if you would like to see anything. I can do a shoe collection, I can do a bag collection. I have many things that I can show you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day.